2 seconds later, literally just all power lost. Okay, this is going back to the shop. Hello everyone, Mark here, and today I'm just going to do a quick update on my beast, the Arrma Granite 4x4 3S BLX. Now unfortunately this is not a good video update. I've got to take my beast of a truck back to the shop because mine is faulty. Now what I did after the unboxing video, a few days later, I took the truck out for a test run. And straight away I noticed that my electric speed controller was not working like it should, and I'll quickly take the body shell off, give you a closer look and tell you a little bit what's going on. So like I say, my electric speed controller is faulty. Basically what I did, I took it out. First battery I tried was my 3-cell 11 volt 30C 3000 mAh battery. Now I totally understand the manufacturer's recommendations for a minimum requirement battery on this vehicle is 35C and 500 mAh. That is what the manufacturer recommends for optimum runtime, which is fine, totally understand that. But when I tried, obviously, this battery, I got 5 minutes runtime from this vehicle. Then basically I lost all power and my electric speed controller would just constantly flash red. It was kind of like the low voltage cut off kicked in. So I thought, okay, well, I'm using a battery under the recommended capacity. So I had obviously I've got more battery, so I used this one here, which is a 2-cell 4100 mAh 50C, and this is capable enough of running all of my other trucks. And some of my trucks, guys, they are very beastie, just like this one, and this battery has no problem running all of them. Put it in, once again I got 5 to 7 minutes runtime. I lost all power apart from the steering, and then my electric speed controller was just flashing red. Okay, so that's full throttle again. Very frustrating. And my electric speed controller is flashing like it would do if you had a low voltage cut-off protection. Obviously it's set to LiPo mode, so I know that kicks in, but I've got one of these voltage meters which tell you the voltage of your LiPo. Testing my LiPo batteries, they were well over 50%, so I know my batteries were not flat. So I thought, okay, just to do a process of elimination, what I did, I took the truck back, I reprogrammed my electric speed controller, put it back to factory settings, then I went through manually, changed all the variables, made sure it was in LiPo mode, set the punch, set the brake force, everything like that. So I knew it was all on the right settings. So then I charged up basically a 2-cell 5235C battery, which more than meets the recommendations for the vehicle. Once again though, guys, I had very short run time, but this time as soon as I plugged the battery into the electric speed controller, turned it on, my fan stopped working. It literally just shut off, wouldn't start up again. So straight away I was like, well, that's not good. So because the fan weren't working, I didn't want to go up and use my very beefy 3-cell 5365C battery, because that's going to cause some heat, and without a fan I didn't want to risk ruining anything else on the truck. I didn't want to overheat the motor or overheat the electric speed controller, because without a fan with that kind of power battery, it's going to overheat So it is what it is, guys. So I phoned the shop, told them my issues. They said bring the truck back so they could look at it, but the engineer only works weekdays. Well, I can only take it in at a weekend, which is a bit of a pain. But to be honest, when I go there, I'm going to push for a new speed controller there and then. I personally think if I buy a brand new vehicle, especially for this kind of money, if something's broke right out the box, they shouldn't make me wait a week, 2 weeks to get this either repaired or sent off to the manufacturer. If they've got another one of these vehicles in the shop, in my opinion, I'm entitled to them to basically replace the electric speed controller. So that's what I'm going to push for in the shop. Hopefully they will do that, because I believe I'm entitled to that. But I do know what RC shops are like. Not all of them. Some are more helpful than others, and in a sense they are right. They can just send it off to the manufacturer because it'd be under the manufacturer's warranty. But it's a week old truck. I shouldn't have to wait a few more weeks just for them to say, yep, it's broke, we replace this or we fix this. They should just fix it there and then. If they can't, they should replace the part that's broken there and then. I'm not after a whole new truck. That's fine. Just give me a new electric speed controller. So if they have one in stock, that's what I'm going to push for. I'm going to go there tomorrow from making this video. Obviously, you're going to see this video a few days later. Now, am I put off this truck because of the hassle? No, not really. Because at the end of the day, in this hobby, and anything electrical, you're going to get things that break, and you're going to get things that are faulty right out the box. Now, I'm not going to moan too much about it because these things happen, and in this hobby it happens. So we're all going to see it at one point in time. Yes, I'm disappointed. No, it's not the model shop's fault. No, it's not really the manufacturer's fault. It's just one of those things that happen. And it's one of those things that doesn't happen all the time. This is a rare occurrence from the research that I've been looking at and the people that I've been talking to. So am I put off? No, of course not. I just want it fixed and then I can start enjoying it. Now, luckily, I've got plenty of other RC models that I can play with until this gets fixed if I have to wait. So it's not really an issue. But we're all the same, guys. If we buy something and it's new, we want it to work. We want it to work straight away. We don't want to have to go, oh yeah, that's broken, let's wait for it to be fixed. That's just not what none of us are looking for, is it? So yeah, it's a bit of a dodgy video today, like I say, but I wanted to do this video. I wanted to show to everyone that things are not always smooth sailing in this hobby. And you shouldn't always be put off straight away by things breaking or coming faulty, because it happens. You could buy a new TV. It could break a week later and then you just get it repaired or get a replacement under its warranty. These things happen. So yeah, I'm not put off. I just want it fixed and I can't wait to get it fixed and then get it out, have some bashing fun, and then show you guys some proper bashing videos. The 6 minutes of fun that I had with it, it was great fun, and I know once it's fixed, this thing is going to be a blast to use. So I'm going to stop the video there, guys. I don't want to go on too much more. But yeah, I thought I'd share this video with you just to give you a little update. Now, if you thought it was interesting or helpful, please do hit that like button. Hit the bell notification if you haven't. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you for watching, guys. And most of all, happy RCing. Take care. Bye-bye.